Here's the problem. The way we're living is killing the planet. We can't keep using old fossil fuel solutions anymore. Instead, we need to produce clean energy from renewable sources and use it more efficiently. Luckily, right above our heads, there's this infinite energy source smiling down at us, and with solar panels from Soltech, we have the ability to harness that power. There are some hiccups though, like the sun doesn't shine at night. Even my dog knows that. That means we need to be able to store that energy somehow, and circular battery storage from Nilar takes care of that for us. But here's where it gets really tricky. You see, the electric grid system is big, and it's built for a different era. Quite frankly, it's not prepared to handle the electrification our society is in need of, so we'll need to help it out of it. Ferroamp's EnergyHub-system allows for you to create your own local DC power grid by connecting solar panels, EV charging and energy storage into one smart system. Sure, you're still connected to the old grid, but you're supporting it, not weighing it down. You can monitor everything from your device using the Energy Cloud software. Super flexible and with full control. With patented phase balancing technology, the system always makes sure that the energy is used where it's needed the most. And if you don't need it, you sell it on. Sounds great, right? But here's the real kicker. By connecting several energy hubs together, we can expand the system to several buildings. By sharing the roofs with the most sun and integrating our modern solutions, buildings that normally wouldn't be able to use solar power can now do just that. If you're a city planner, a real estate developer, or a building company, this should get you really excited. Our connected systems are modular, fully scalable, and built for the future. That means that you could benefit from our solutions no matter if you're in a villa, a housing association, or the owner of a massive commercial estate. And you will be part of developing a more sustainable society. We really hope you'll get in touch. After all, we're all trying to save the planet here.